I've always had a fascination for the Japanese motor car, especially of that late era 60s, early 70s. This one was particularly rare. This was imported directly to the Toyota workshop in Nelson. I love the New Zealand imported stuff, New Zealand new. It had the GT option on it, which made it particularly special. So I contacted Trevor, and his team at the toy shop who've looked after a lot of my cars. He had a look at it and he was pretty excited, and fortunately for me, he had a deep passion for that car as well. The boys really inspected it really well. They went through it in detail. They made that whole journey, that whole process more comfortable for me. There are not many people or many professionals in this industry or in the restoration business that know how to look after and treat such a piece of history. The way I see it is that he's got craftsmen for each part of that building process, and the layers of detail that go into that make it really interesting. It's satisfying to know that they will take on the whole project and give you that confidence that it's actually going to be handled really well. Builds actually took just over a year. Super impressed with that. I felt there was just a natural understanding between the toy shop and me, and I felt like we were on the same track in terms of what needed to be done with the build of the car. The decisions that were being made were the right decisions. It was about the journey and the relationship with the boys, the relationship with the toy shop. I could be there with the guys and talk to them if I had any questions. For me, that was really important, but I also knew what the result was going to be. And that's what made me sleep at night, was knowing that there was going to be something special at the end of the journey. Something that would still make me very happy and smile every time I looked at it and drive it and smelt it and felt it.